Hi, it's Friday and I have come up with another weekly review. Last week I had told that I will be watching Nifty Auto and banking and financial sectors and Nifty 50 and the oil prices. So what had happened to them? Nifty Auto till date I am recording is up nearly 1.5% than the previous week's close. The banking sector, especially the PSU banks, were up 4%, and the financial sector was up 1.5%. And then what happened with Nifty 50? Nifty clearly broke the 24,450 levels and now is taking a resistance at the 200 daily moving average in the daily time frame. Also, the oil prices. Oil prices have sharply dipped 10% than previous week's close. Now, what I got right? This week, I had screened a stock which had cleared all the technical and fundamental parameters which I had already defined, and I took an entry in it. I won't be sharing the name and the sector of the stock as I clearly don't have the authority. So now the stock is performing well. Also, I believe that when you follow a particular system and you get used to it, then the system will reward your following. As Bruce Lee has truly quoted, I don't fear an opponent who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the person who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. So, in this case, the strategy is the kick. Then, next thing, what I got wrong this week. I had taken an entry in a stock on last Thursday, which suited all the technical as well as fundamental parameters. So I entered, but I forgot to check one thing. The company was going to announce its result on Friday, and post the market close on Friday, the results came, and the results were bad. The quarterly results that the companies announced, the results were bad, or they were not up to the market expectations. So on Monday, my stop loss got hit, and as the process is mechanical, the stock exited. But till yesterday's closing, the stock was 9% up my selling price. I won't name the stock, but this yesterday's closing, I felt disappointed that my stop loss got hit and now the price is up. That many of you would feel that after I sell, the stock moves up. I felt the same, but I I learned from this mistake of mine that never ever take position in a stock near to its result basic result near to its results. Always let the result be announced, because the stocks are volatile during the result season. So the prices may hit your stop loss, and this was my learning from the wrongdoing which had happened. Now, what had surprised me this week, the biggest surprise was the movement of the indices to the newly introduced system by SEBI for the closing auction session, CAS. In the last 15 minutes, the candles got printed in such a way that the major indices are not a country's major index, but they are like a volatility index. The candles were such that nobody could expect, and everybody was surprised to see how this has happened. As the system is new, I believe that the authorities will look into how to do it in a better way, and I think the authorities were also not pretty sure of how the reaction would come. So now that the reaction is pretty volatile, I guess there will be some changes in the CAS. Now, what I am looking for the next week, I am majorly watching three sectors, or rather three indices. The first is the Nifty 50 index, because as I have earlier told, the breakout of 24,450 levels is already done, but now that Nifty is taking resistance at 200-day moving average. So I am keen to see how it unfolds, whether Nifty breaks the 200-day moving average or it comes down to fill up the gaps that were filled. The next thing I am looking for is the Nifty small cap and the Nifty micro cap index, as both these indices are near the September 2024 levels. So it will be amazing to watch whether we get a new high or whether the September 2024 levels will act as resistance. And the next important sector that I'll be watching out for is Nifty PSU banks, because yesterday itself the index jumped 2%. I don't know the reason, but something is growing in this sector as well. So that's all from my side. I hope we'll meet next Friday. Thank you.